In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the forecast tool in HubSpot. Let's get started by opening your browser and heading to HubSpot. If you're not already signed in, log in with your account so you're in the right workspace. If you have access to multiple accounts, quickly confirm you're in the correct one by checking the account switcher in the top corner. That will ensure the settings you're about to update apply to the right portal. Next, head to the settings area. You'll find the gear icon in the main navigation. Click that to open your account settings. In the settings sidebar, look for the forecast section. Depending on your navigation, you may see it under sales. Click forecast to open the forecasting setup page. You're now in the right place to configure how your team will view and report on revenue projections. First, choose how deal amounts are displayed on the forecast view and related reports. This is an important decision because it shapes how leadership and reps interpret pipeline health. If you prefer a straightforward snapshot of potential revenue, select the option to show total deal amounts. If you want a more realistic projection that accounts for likelihood of closing, choose a weighted view. Weighted amounts factor in each deal's stage probability or forecast category, which helps you see risk-adjusted revenue. If you operate across multiple currencies, consider displaying amounts in your company's primary currency so roll-ups are consistent. Whichever option you pick, aim for the format your team already uses in dashboards and revenue meetings so you avoid confused comparisons later. Next, choose the time period you'll use for revenue goals and forecast submissions. Most teams pick monthly or quarterly depending on how they set targets and run business reviews. If your company is quarterly driven, select quarterly so forecast submissions and goal tracking align with your Q1 to Q4 cadence. If you're more operationally focused month to month, select monthly for tighter, more frequent checkpoints. While you're here, make sure the period start aligns with your fiscal calendar. That keeps your forecast, pipeline reports, and goal tracking in sync throughout the year. A quick tip: once teams start submitting forecasts, avoid changing the period mid-cycle as it can disrupt reporting trends. After setting display preferences and time period, review your choices to confirm they reflect how your organization talks about revenue. HubSpot typically saves these settings as you select them, but it's good practice to revisit the forecast view and verify the numbers look as expected. That's it. You've set up the forecast tool so your reps can submit projections and leaders can see accurate, consistent roll-ups. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you configure your portal.